Attending CES is always an exciting experience, and this year was no exception. Amidst the technological marvels on display, Narwal's booth stood out with its cutting-edge home cleaning solutions. Established in 2016, Narwal has consistently pushed the boundaries of innovation. Their focus on blending design with functionality has earned them accolades like CES Innovation Awards and Red Dot recognition. As a pioneer of self-cleaning robot mops and vacuums, Narwal is redefining household cleaning. Special thanks to Narwal for sponsoring this video and allowing me to give you a tour of their booth. Narwal's CES exhibit was a testament to their commitment to excellence, featuring distinct zones that showcase their latest products and technologies, offering attendees an immersive experience. The Family Bucket area highlighted Narwal's product lineup with live demonstrations, while the new product experience area allowed visitors to test the Flow series, advanced features such as the Edge Reach mop extension and carpet boost cleaning. In the home experience area, a simulated home environment demonstrated the real-world efficiency of Narwal's products. Finally, the brand display area celebrated Narwal's journey, showcasing their innovation and international recognition. Narwal has exciting new products lined up for 2025, redefining home cleaning with innovative technology. Let's explore the highlights of their product lineup. Leading the way is the Flow series, Narwal's most advanced flagship robot vacuum mop. Set to launch in June 2025, this groundbreaking device features the Flow Wash mopping system, a track-driven design with dual water tanks for consistent mopping that applies fresh water while extracting dirty water, preventing dirt spread and boosting cleaning efficiency. Its real-time self-cleaning track mop ensures a fresh mop for every pass, offering exceptional edge cleaning performance. The Deep Carpet Boost delivers an impressive 12,000 pascal suction power and a roller brush that doubles dust pickup, excelling at deep carpet cleaning. Equipped with twin AI Dodge navigation, it uses dual RGB cameras and a 10 TOPS AI chip to detect over 200 objects, ensuring precise obstacle avoidance. Additionally, the truly tangle-free system integrates zero tangling side and floating roller brushes for seamless cleaning. Launching in April 2025, the Narwal Freo Z10 is an all-in-one edge cleaning robot that combines advanced features with affordability. Its zero tangling technology and innovative floating roller brush guarantee a tangle-free experience. With 15,000 pascal suction power enhanced by Dirt Sense for real-time monitoring, it ensures superior cleaning efficiency. The Edge Reach mop extension applies 8 newtons of constant pressure for precise edge cleaning, while the 7-in-1 base station supports self-emptying, mop washing, and hot water cleaning, enabling up to 120 days of hands-free maintenance. In March 2025, Narwal will release the Freo Pro, a sleek and stylish device designed for performance and aesthetics. It features dynamic zero-tangle brushes with a tangle-free cleaning side brush and floating roller brush, paired with 8,500 pascals of suction power, making it ideal for everyday home cleaning tasks. Its elegant design complements modern interiors effortlessly. Lastly, scheduled for release in April 2025, the Narwal S30 revolutionizes hair management and floor care. Its automatic hair cutting design effortlessly handles long hair, pet hair, and clumps, while the self-cleaning with hot water system operates at 158 degrees Fahrenheit for rapid rinsing, effective dirt dissolution, and superior hygiene. Narwal's 2025 lineup sets a new standard for smart, efficient, and stylish cleaning solutions. Narwal's booth at CES 2025 was a celebration of technological innovation aimed at simplifying everyday life. With products like the Flow series, Freo Z10, Freo Pro, and S30, Narwal is setting new standards in home cleaning. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or someone looking for practical solutions, Narwal's offerings promise to make life cleaner and easier. Don't forget to check out their products when they hit the market later this year.